Hey, Unc. Hey, Unc, look at this piston here, what I gotta take out. It's all sealed on the bottom. And look at this setup right here. Oh boy, there's no room to work. They just give you one little hole, and the lift has got to be only halfway up. And I figure I'll take these two apart, get the cables out of the way, then I can get to this nut and push this out of the way. And push this out of the way, pull it back, and then take those two bolts out, slide the piston out. It's a bitch, but I'm going to charge them good bond for this job. All enclosed, except for the back. So I know what I got to do. Now I got to talk to him and see if I'm going to get it. I'm going to see if I can get about 15. See if I can get 1,500 off him. All right, that's it. Bye bye.